Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy glam bag. It is my favorite subscription, you guys. I absolutely love Ipsy. The glam bag is $12 a month, and you also get sample size products, and you can choose an item in your glam bag. And you also get a cute little bag every month, which is awesome. I love like little makeup bags. I love it so much. And so yeah, I'm so happy it finally got here. I just got it today, you guys. So yes, I cannot wait to see what's in here. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, let's open this baby up. Ooh, this is super cute. I love this. It has like a silver, it's like silver. It has like little rainbow colors. Very shiny. I love that. Super cute. Let's get into it, shall we? Ooh, okay. So the first item that I see, ooh, Lovecraft Beauty highlighter. I love me some highlighters, you guys. I have my Pop Beauty highlighter on right now. I love highlighters. So it's Lovecraft Beauty highlighter, and the shade is Borealis. I think that's how you say it. The packaging is nice. Ooh, okay. Ooh, how cute is this? Look how tiny this is, you guys. I love the packaging. Super cute. Oh, look at the mirror, you guys. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is like a gold. Okay, let's swatch it. Hold on. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. Oh, I love this. Oh, okay. This is beautiful. That is a beautiful highlight. I love how shiny it is. I never really heard of Lovecraft Beauty, so I'm gonna have to look them up, but this is super cute. Definitely for my skin tone, for sure. The highlight, it has like a kind of like a gold, kind of just like rosy tone to it. Gold. I love it so much. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love the little mirror. Definitely good for traveling. I mean, not now, but like in the future, you could take this along in your little makeup bag, and super, super cute. I love that. Oh, okay, you guys. So we have the Jersey Shore Cosmetics. I have heard of Jersey Shore Cosmetics. I've never had any of their products before. So this is the Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. Ooh, I love watermelon smells. I love when Ipsy puts watermelon, because I got the, in my last bag, I had the Watermelon Burst by Ciate London. Love this. I have been using it like crazy. It is amazing. And so this is what the packaging looks like here. Love it. And I love the little watermelons. Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna put on my lips right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, watermelon. Oh my God. I love that smell. It has organic sunflower oil, organic beeswax, organic flavor, organic coconut oil. It's organic everything. So I love this. Super, super cute. Okay. Love it. Okay, so let's see what else. Oh my gosh, I love this. So this is by Bubble Tea Cosmetics. You guys, they make beautiful products. Their packaging is amazing, and their products smell amazing. So this is the moisturizing body cream in peach iced tea. That is the flavor. I love me some peach iced tea, you guys. Hey. I am so excited I got this. I love me some body lotion. It is with the sweet scent of juicy peaches and all the refreshment of an iced tea. This fresh and fruity body lotion is a summer favorite. Containing aloe vera and tea extracts, this mini body cream will soothe and nourish in no time. Hey. Yes, this is the packaging, so let's smell it. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is this is amazing. I love all of these products already, you guys. Let's see. Let's give it a try. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Oh my God. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. You know what this smells like, you guys? It smells like from Too Faced, the peach, the eyeshadow palette. Oh, it smells just like that. It smells amazing. I'm not even joking, you guys. This kind of has a shine a little bit. Oh, this has to be my favorite. Oh my gosh. So yes. Hey. Okay, so it is 30 mil, 1.01 fluid ounces. Just enough for your girl. I am so excited I got this. I will definitely be putting this in my favorites lotion pile because yes, honey, this is amazing. I am so excited I got this in my bag, you guys. Yes! Okay, so the next item I see, ooh, it is by Latte London. It is the AM to PM eyeliner. It is in the shade black. I love Latte London. I think they are amazing. They make amazing products as well. So let me see. I don't think I have anything by Latte London. I don't know. This is my first product, actually. Dang. Okay. This is such a good bag. Okay. This is crazy. This is just craziness. All right. So this is what it looks like. And it is by Latte London. It is cruelty-free and vegan. Awesome. And it is in the shade black. There we go. This is the, let's see, let's watch this. Oh, okay, it is pigmented. As I'm swatching it, it does kind of seem a little like it's kind of faded a little bit, kind of dry, but I mean, it is pigmented and it is nice. I just got to work with it a little bit, but hey, I'm happy with it. It's awesome. I love this. Super cute, super cute item. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is super cute. It's by, let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. It's by Ariza Beauty Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. Look at how cute this is. And it has 4 shades in it. In the back. And let's see. I've seen an eyeshadow palette this tiny before. Okay. Oh, okay, and there's no mirror in it. Look at these shades. I love this. This is so cute. Right up my alley for sure. This is definitely something that I would wear for fall. Especially this little brown shade here. This is definitely cute. You can basically put this in your your little travel bag or whatever you want to do with it. This is super, super cute. It's definitely something I would wear for fall. You guys, these are my colors. I love this kind of orangey brown shimmer and this brown up here too. I love it. It's a matte brown and the rest are shimmers. This is a beautiful color. This one right here. Ugh, definitely fall, you guys. I would use this for fall. And I love how tiny this is. Super, super cute. You can use this when you travel eventually. Take it with you in your little bag. This is awesome. So I'm gonna swatch these. Look at that shade. I'm gonna do this shade as well. This color is calling my name. I don't know what. And they swatch like butter, you guys. So smooth. Very it almost feels hydrating as well too. We have this color. Oh my goodness. I love that I'm only using one swatch. Ugh, amazing. I'm loving these shimmer shades for sure. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so cute. I love it. For sure be using this for the fall, you guys. This is definitely something that I would put on my eyes. And this was also my chosen item on the Ipsy website. So I'm so happy I chose this. This is super cute, super little and tiny. Love it, love it, love it. So this is my last item. This is actually my add-on that I picked on Ipsy. It has like pop-up or add-ons that you can put as your 6th item in the bag, or if you want to have add-ons, or if you want to get something else. So I chose this. It is the Be a Roller Baby in your ink readable rollerball gloss. This is so cute, you guys. I haven't seen a rollerball gloss in so long, since high school. I used to use these all the time. I used to be thinking I'm cool, like with my shiny lips. I don't know. But I was like, hey. So this is what's it says? Rolling like a honey. Ooh. So let's see. It has like a shiny texture to it. Oh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like honey, but it's not like your intense honey. So I am so happy I added this on with my bag. Like, it is super cute, you guys. I love rollerball glasses. I didn't think that glosses. Did I say glasses? So I am so happy that this that I added this on. Okay, let's recap. So I got the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. I will be using this probably every single day. I love it. Let's see, the Lovecraft Beauty Highlighter. I absolutely love this, you guys. It is super beautiful. The color, the highlight is shiny and gold. I love gold highlights. Amazing. I love the cute little mirror. And the next item is the Latte London, which is the AM to PM eyeliner. I like it. I will definitely work with this a little bit, but I do like this. What else? And then we have my absolute favorite thing in my bag, you guys. This is the Bubble Tea Cosmetics Peach Iced Tea Moisturizing Body Lotion. This smell is amazing. It is definitely like Too Faced the Peach. I love this. Super, super, super good. Excited about this. And then my other favorite is this little tiny eyeshadow palette from Ariza Beauty. I love this. I think this is absolutely adorable. I will be using these colors for fall. I am a fall girl, so yes. And the add-on that I got is the Rollerball Baby. This is super cute. This bag, hands down, you guys, is my absolutely favorite bag that I have gotten from Ipsy. I loved everything that I got. Like, Ipsy is just amazing. I love them. The products are amazing, and these are sample size. Like, amazing. So yeah, you guys, that was my video. I am super, super happy with everything that I got. And as always, if you loved this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also to subscribe and click that notification down below so you don't miss out on any of my new upcoming videos that I post. And as always, you guys, I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.